Welcome to our journey through some of the most unreal places on Earth. In this video, we'll take you on an adventure to breathtaking locations that seem almost too incredible to be true. From vibrant landscapes that look like they belong in a fantasy novel, to natural wonders that defy the laws of physics, we'll explore destinations that challenge our imagination and inspire wanderlust. Get ready to discover the ethereal beauty of places like the otherworldly Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia, where the sky meets the ground in a stunning mirror effect, and the mesmerizing glow of the bioluminescent beaches in the Maldives. Each location we visit has its own unique story and charm, making them must-see spots for any traveler. As we delve into these extraordinary sights, we aim to spark your curiosity and ignite your passion for exploration. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just dreaming of your next getaway, this video will open your eyes to the wonders of our planet. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this visual journey to some of the most unreal places in the world. The Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. Welcome to the Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat, where nature creates a breathtaking spectacle that captivates all who visit. During the rainy season, a thin layer of water transforms the flat into a stunning mirror, reflecting the sky in a way that blurs the line between earth and heaven. This surreal visual effect draws photographers and travelers from around the globe, eager to capture the ethereal beauty of this unique landscape. Beyond its striking appearance, the Salar de Uyuni is home to a diverse ecosystem. The salt flat supports various wildlife, including flamingos that flock to the area during breeding season, feeding on the rich microorganisms found in the saline waters. This vibrant life thrives in an environment that seems inhospitable, showcasing nature's resilience. Culturally, the salt flats hold significant importance for local communities. Indigenous peoples, such as the Aymara, have lived in harmony with this landscape for centuries, relying on the salt for their livelihoods and incorporating it into their traditions. Festivals and rituals celebrate the salt's cultural heritage, making the Salar de Uyuni not just a natural wonder, but a vital part of Bolivia's identity. Antelope Canyon, USA. Welcome to Antelope Canyon, a breathtaking slot canyon located in Arizona, renowned for its stunning wave-like structures and vibrant colors. As sunlight filters through the narrow openings above, it dances along the canyon walls, illuminating the rich reds, oranges, and purples that make this natural wonder so captivating. The interplay of light and shadow creates an ever-changing palette, making each visit a unique experience for photographers and nature lovers alike. If you're planning a visit, timing is crucial for capturing the perfect photograph. The best light occurs between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. when the sun is high overhead, casting beams of light that penetrate the canyon's depths. Consider joining a guided tour, as access to the canyon is regulated, and guides can provide insights into the best angles and techniques for photography. The geological history of Antelope Canyon is equally fascinating. Formed over thousands of years by flash flooding and erosion, the canyon's smooth, flowing shapes are a testament to the power of nature. The Navajo sandstone that comprises the canyon is over 190 million years old, showcasing the incredible forces that have shaped this stunning landscape. Antelope Canyon is not just a visual feast, it's a remarkable story of Earth's natural artistry. Pamukkale, Turkey. Welcome to Pamukkale, a natural wonder famous for its stunning terraces formed by mineral-rich thermal waters. These cascading pools resembling frozen waterfalls are created by the deposition of calcium carbonate, resulting in striking white travertine formations. The warm waters, rich in minerals, are believed to have therapeutic properties, attracting visitors seeking relief from various ailments. Bathing in these thermal pools not only offers a unique experience but also promotes relaxation and rejuvenation. Adjacent to Pamukkale lies the ancient city of Hierapolis, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that adds historical depth to your visit. Founded in the 2nd century BC, Hierapolis was a thriving spa town known for its healing waters. The ruins of ancient baths, temples, and a well-preserved theater provide a glimpse into the rich history and culture of this once bustling city. Exploring Hierapolis enhances your experience at Pamukkale, allowing you to appreciate the significance of this remarkable location. For optimal viewing and enjoyment, the best times to visit Pamukkale are during the spring and fall months when temperatures are mild and the terraces are less crowded. Early morning or late afternoon visits offer stunning light for photography, making your trip to this natural wonder truly unforgettable. The Northern Lights, various locations. Welcome to the enchanting world of the Northern Lights, or Aurora Borealis, a breathtaking natural phenomenon that captivates all who witness it. The science behind this magical display lies in the interaction between charged particles from the sun and the Earth's magnetic field. When these particles collide with gases in the atmosphere, they create vibrant colors that dance across the night sky, ranging from greens to purples and reds. The best locations to witness this spectacle include northern regions such as Alaska, Norway, Canada, and Iceland, where clear, dark skies provide optimal viewing conditions. Travelers who have experienced the Northern Lights often describe it as a life-changing moment. Many share testimonials of standing under the shimmering sky, feeling a deep connection to nature and the universe. One traveler recounted how the lights seemed to whisper secrets of the cosmos, leaving them in awe of the beauty surrounding them. Culturally, the Northern Lights hold significant meaning in various regions. In Norse mythology, they were believed to be the spirits of warriors, while indigenous cultures in North America view them as ancestral spirits dancing in the sky. This rich tapestry of stories adds depth to the experience, making the Northern Lights not just a visual wonder, but a profound cultural phenomenon. Mount Roraima, Venezuela. Welcome to Mount Roraima, a breathtaking tabletop mountain that has inspired countless tales, including Arthur Conan Doyle's The Lost World. This majestic peak rises dramatically above the surrounding landscape, creating a unique ecosystem that is home to an array of flora and fauna found nowhere else on Earth. The mountain's isolation has led to the evolution of many endemic species, such as the striking Roraima bush toad and various carnivorous plants, making it a paradise for nature enthusiasts and scientists alike. For adventurers, hiking Mount Roraima offers an exhilarating experience filled with challenges. The trek typically takes about 6 days, with steep ascents and unpredictable weather testing the resolve of even the most seasoned hikers. The breathtaking views from the summit, along with the chance to explore its otherworldly landscapes, make the effort worthwhile. However, trekkers should be prepared for rugged terrain and sudden changes in climate. Mount Roraima also holds deep cultural significance for the indigenous Paimon people, who regard it as a sacred site. Legends tell of the mountain being the home of gods and spirits, adding a layer of mystique to this already awe-inspiring destination. Exploring Mount Roraima is not just a physical journey, it's a venture into the heart of ancient myths and natural wonders. Conclusion. As we wrap up our journey through some of the most unreal places in the world, let's take a moment to reflect on the stunning locations we've explored. From the mirror-like surfaces of Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia to the ethereal beauty of Antelope Canyon in the USA, each destination offers a unique experience that captivates the imagination. We've seen how natural wonders like Pamukkale's terraces and the Northern Lights not only showcase the beauty of our planet, but also hold deep cultural significance and fascinating histories. These breathtaking sites are more than just travel destinations. They are invitations to explore the wonders of nature and connect with diverse cultures. We encourage you to consider visiting these incredible places and sharing your own experiences with others. Your adventures could inspire someone else to embark on their own journey of discovery. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content about the world's most extraordinary locations, be sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out our related content for more travel inspiration. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you on our next adventure.